Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Birdfy Model 1 isn't charging, it doesn't necessarily mean the battery has reached the end of its life. You may notice the charging indicator never appears, the battery percentage stays the same, or the camera shuts off shortly after unplugging it. In many cases, the issue is caused by the charging accessories, the power source, or the charging contacts rather than the battery itself. Before ordering replacement parts, it's a good idea to check a few common causes that can prevent the camera from charging properly. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you can try to get your Birdfy Model 1 charging again. 1. Connect the camera to a 5-volt USB charger recommended for the device. 2. Clean the charging contacts or USB port with a dry, soft brush. 3. Try a different USB cable that's known to work properly. 4. Allow the battery to charge uninterrupted for at least 1 hour. 5. Check the charging indicator to confirm the battery is receiving power.